It's Chris on. I've just knocked out my clips. I've looked at this wall pretty closely. I noticed there's a few bits of plastic still in there, but I'll get to that. I'll do this, start grouting this wall first. What you do, well, what I do, not too much water. There's probably about 10 mil of water in the bottom there. Because with these tiles, it doesn't take a lot of grout. The 6x3, you know, 1.5 mil grout line doesn't take much grout at all. But I wouldn't even use, I don't reckon, probably 3 kilos of grout in this bathroom. It's a 5 kilo bag. I never mix up heaps and heaps because I'm always using the same grout, like ultra white or misty grey. 80% of my jobs at the moment are misty grey and ultra white. And that's it, it's ready to go. Most of the time I buy a new squeegee. It's soft rubber, which I like. I don't like the hard rubber ones. Soft rubber, they wear out pretty quick. If you hit a bit of plastic sticking out, it stuffs the rubber a bit. Where's my pliers? Somewhere. Anyway, I'll pull that out in a minute. Yeah, so this is all you do. This is a dry tile, so I'll give it just a little bit more water. My grout can be just a bit runnier. With it being a matte finish tile, if it was a shiny tile, my grout would have been bang on. But being a matte finish tile, it needs to be a little bit, just a bit runnier. It's going to be the same wall and floor, same grout. Da 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 da, la da 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 dee dee dee. Right, I'll come back to you. I'll turn on my radio and give this wall heaps. We'll see you soon. I've got to pull out that bit of plastic. I've got another one down there, I think. We'll see you soon. I'll be wiping this off with a wash boy. a sponge and water out. DIYs, old school. Yeah, I'll be grouting around the top there, and then it gets painted. I always grout, not cork or silicone. It's been a nice little bathroom, this. Ensuite, I should say. Bit of plastic. Pull this sucker out. That's all there is to it, DIYs. It's always a lot different grouting a matte tile than a shiny tile. A matte tile is just a little bit slower, but not much. I go and get my stitches out this afternoon. Not stitches, my clips out of my head. I had 12 of the suckers. I asked off I rolled my ankle when I was hopping off a bucket. Banged my head against the corner there, and 12 clips later, bit of an ordeal. They thought I might have had a brain bleed and all that sort of carry on, but nah, all was good. Okay people, we'll see you soon. Stay tuned. Ooh, there's a lot to learn.